The Cupra Formentor VZ5 is the crown jewel of the Cupra lineup, a performance SUV that injects serious thrills into the everyday driving experience. It's not your average SUV. It boasts a powerful engine, sharp handling, and a luxurious interior, all wrapped in a sleek and stylish design. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Power and performance. Under the hood of the Formentor VZ5 lies the beating heart of a beast. A 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine borrowed from its cousin, the Audi RS3. This powerhouse produces a staggering 385 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, propelling the SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers/it, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in a mere 4.2 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers/it, 155 miles per hour. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission seamlessly changes gears, keeping the power delivery smooth and uninterrupted. Additionally, the 4-drive all-wheel drive system ensures optimal grip and handling in all weather conditions, whether you're navigating city streets or carving up winding mountain roads. Sharp handling and braking. The Formentor VZ5 isn't just about raw power, it's also about precise handling. Cupra engineers have equipped it with a sophisticated suspension system that provides a balance between sportiness and comfort. The SUV corners confidently, with minimal body roll, thanks to its well-tuned chassis and responsive steering. Adding to the driving confidence are the Akrapovic brakes, known for their exceptional stopping power. These high-performance brakes ensure you can bring the Formentor VZ5 to a halt quickly and safely, even after repeated hard stops. Luxurious and tech-packed interior. Step inside the Formentor VZ5 and you're greeted by a premium cabin that blends sportiness with luxury. The bucket seats, upholstered in Napa leather, hug you in comfort during spirited drives, while the aluminum pedals and carbon fiber trim add a touch of sportiness. A panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin, creating a sense of airiness and spaciousness. Technology plays a central role in the Formentor VZ5's interior. The centerpiece is the 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation and audio to climate control. The system is intuitive and easy to use, with crisp graphics and quick response times. A digital instrument cluster displays all the essential driving information in a clear and concise manner. Unique design. The Formentor VZ5 stands out from the crowd with its bold and aggressive design. The sharp lines, sculpted fenders, and prominent grille give it a muscular and athletic stance. The available 20-inch alloy wheels further enhance the sporty look. The Formentor VZ5 is available in a variety of colors, including the signature Cupra Patrol Gray Matte, adding a touch of personalization to your powerful SUV. Should you buy the Cupra Formentor VZ5? The Cupra Formentor VZ5 is a compelling option for drivers who crave performance without sacrificing luxury or practicality. If you're looking for a spacious SUV that can handle your daily commute and weekend adventures with equal aplomb, the Formentor VZ5 is definitely worth considering. However, the hefty price tag starting at over $75,000 might be a turnoff for some. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.
Audi Q8 2024. Consider the Q8 the more jazzy kin to the pragmatic 3-line Q7 hybrid, complete with an inclining rooftop and only 2 columns of seating. Like its more family-situated said, the Q8 has a lavish and tech-rich lodge, solid motor, and a frame that is a thoroughly examined mix of spryness and solace. What's going on with the Audi Q8 for 2024? The standard hybrid sees a gentle revive for 2024, in particular changed front and back belts. Lighting isn't just about seeing any longer, it's tied in with putting on an act. The Q8 comes standard with focused energy, grid configuration, drove headlights, highlighting computerized daytime running lights situated on the upper even edge. This not just gives the Q8 a more extensive visual position, yet in addition shapes a consistent association between the headlights and the single-frame grille. '24 Audi Q8 execution. The Q8 Hybrid gets its zoom from a 3.0L turbocharged V6, delivering 335 HP and 369 lb-ft of force, a 48-volt half-and-half help framework, gives smooth stop-start activity. With a 8-speed programmed transmission and quattro all-wheel drive, the Q8 is fast and deft. (2024) Audi Q8 Security. The protection business for throughway security IIHS in the U.S. has granted the 2023 Q8 its top well-being Pick Plus rating. It has not tried the 2024 model. The 2024 Q8 has a best 5-star generally evaluating from the Public Parkway Traffic Security Organization, NHTSA. (2024) Audi Q8. Dependability. Customer Reports says the Q8's more unique car-like styling compromises some usefulness. Be that as it may, it's peaceful and extravagant, and among the more energetic driving SUVs. The double touchscreen control connection point is overwhelming right away, yet is straightforward to dominate. CR additionally said the 2023 Q8 was supposed to have about normal dependability when contrasted with the typical new vehicle. This forecast in light of information from past models. There has been no update posted for the 2024 model. (2024) Audi Q8 Inside. The inside surely wasn't overlooked for 2024. It currently includes new brightening decorates and situates with differentiating sewing feature the sumptuous feel. Audi's infotainment framework presently incorporates an application store, permitting travelers to download well-known applications like Spotify and Amazon Music straightforwardly to the MMI head unit.